Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. I'm Mantriksh, and I wish all of you guys a very, very happy new year from the whole of the Be10x team. Hope you had a wonderful 2023, and guess what? Hope you guys have an even wonderful 2024. We had a lot, and I mean a lot of AI updates and everything in 2023. And trust me, take my word for it, it is going to be even more in 2024. And that is something we just can't wait for. So I am here for a video, a mixture, a combined video for Chat GPT, as well as the new year resolutions that come with the New Year's Eve and 1st January, 2nd January. So I'm here for that. So let us jump straight into it, right? So, but just before that, I want to take your attention to this, the Chat GPT and AI Tools Mastery Workshop. Yup, you can access this workshop by clicking the link down below. And the best part is it's just for 9 rupees. Yup, you can get your work done. You can 10x your productivity, be top 1% of the Excel users in the world, learn how to leverage the best AI tools in the best way possible, learn how to maximize the use of ChatGPT in just one workshop under 3 hours, just for 9 rupees. All you need to do is you need to click the link down below and sign up for your workshop and secure your future with us here at B10x. So now jumping into ChatGPT. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. So let us just start off, right? So let's just start off afresh, right? New year motivation for a student, right? Let's just start off as a student, right? Let's just start off as a student. It's GPT-4. It's the plus version. Oh, it's creating an image. Wow. So now it's automatically understood that we would maybe want an image for it. So it's going on and creating us an image. Wow. I mean, wow. I'm surprised. This is what it's given us. Wow. I mean, this is actually good, isn't it? Wow. So it says, let's just cross this one. Yeah. Here is a vibrant and inspiring image that depicts the journey of students into the new year. It captures the essence of motivation and determination. Perfect for a student stepping into 2024. Can you give me some new year resolutions? Can you give me some? Of course. Certainly, here are some new areas. Improve time management, right? Okay. Elaborate each into multiple actionable everyday tasks, right? So of course it's given us this. I will read this, but before that I'll just go here and for the timing I'll just read this. Improve time management, set academic goals, learn a new skill, read more books, stay physically active. Now practice. Now it's a bit vague, it's a bit all over the place. Now I'll just tell it to maybe tone it down, maybe give it a number, maybe quantify it, and let's see what it does. Improve time management, plan your day the night before, listing out tasks and allotting specific times for each day. You know what I'll do, I'll take it to another level. Make me a different everyday schedule for each month of the new year, incorporating all the above mentioned points. Let's see what it does. Let us see what it does. Now, you don't need to make it yourself. There is a daily schedule. Yes, you can always tweak it and tell it to tweak here and there, but boom, it'll make it for you. Right? January, focus on organization, setting foundations. Wake up, meditate for 10 minutes, 30 minutes of exercise. Daytime, attend classes, work with the focus on time management and completing assignments. Evening, read a give me a detailed version of this with specific timings. I love this. I just really love this. I'm here to just show you guys how easy it could be, right? Um, okay. Okay, it's still going on, right? I think it's done now. we will read this, but before that, let's just type it. So yeah. So February will be enhancing academic skills, quick review of study notes after meditation, attending classes and work, attend a workshop, a networking event, develop a new skill. April will be focused on physical health, mental health awareness, mid-year academic review, community engagement, financial management focus, networking, skill mastery, healthy eating habits, reflection, and relaxation. Okay, that's nice. Certainly has a detailed daily schedule, right? So January organizational focus: wake up, meditate for 10 minutes, and 30 minutes of exercise, gym or yoga, breakfast, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. it's given for classes, which is nice, right? Then 6 p.m. would be dinner, read a chapter of a book, plan the next day, early time bedtime preparation, lights out and sleep. Okay. Wait, tweak it so my bed time goes to, I mean, let's keep it practical, right? So uh wait, 11 11:30. Yeah, okay, it's still going on, right? Yeah, it's just reached August, so let's just see what it does. So January's done. February's wake up, quick review of the studies, exercise, breakfast, then classes, attend a workshop, leisure reading, sleep, wake up, blah 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 blah. Let's just wait for it to get this done, and then we'll actually tweak it a bit, and I'll show you how you can actually tweak it. Then I'm going to make my own custom relaxed sort of like my own version of what are my goals, what are my aspirations, and then tell ChatGPT to fix something out of it, to make sense out of it, because I don't want to do it. So yeah, I'll just do that. Wait. Tweak it so my bedtime goes to 11. Absolutely, I can adjust, blah, blah, blah. 7, 8 is breakfast, 9 to 5 is class, dinner, read a chapter of a book, leisure time, study, prepare for lights. Okay, so it's basically done that. Okay, so I'll just wait. Make me a list of resolutions and actionable tasks. Make me a list of resolutions and actionable tasks for the year 2024. Here are my aspirations. So like it could be anything, right? It could be anything. Saving and investing more, right? I just clicked it. Wait. Let me just pause this one. Saving and investing more. You can't press enter, right? You have to press enter along with shift, so otherwise it'll just take the prompt. Saving and investing more. It could be maybe something like uh, mastering two skills. Okay, and then reading 15 books. Maybe losing, suppose, if you want to lose weight, because that's one of the the main goals. Losing 10 kgs. Maybe something helping out at home, um studying for competitive exams, and then you know maybe family time if you want to prioritize this year, something like that. Two vacations I'm going to put. Let's see what it gives me now. Let us see what it gives me now. Let's see. Okay, absolutely. Let's translate your aspirations for a set of new saving and investing more. Okay, increasing financial savings and set a monthly savings goal based on your income and expenses. Automate a portion of your paycheck to go into a savings account. Spend 1 hour each learning about investment options like stocks, mutual funds, retirement accounts. Mastering two skills. Okay, identify the skills you want to learn. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to practice. Use online courses, apps, reading 15 books. Okay, create a list of fiction, non-fiction, fiction. Okay, losing 10 kgs. Okay, that's nice. Make an even detailed every day task list incorporate all these at specific times and months. Wait, not months, months. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Let's see now. Let's see now what it does. Okay. January focus on saving and investing. Wake up, morning routine, healthy breakfast, reading financial news, work, study, prepare a healthy dinner, set aside for household chores, study for competitive exams, leisure reading, plan budget and savings for the month, sleep. Mastering the first skill. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Continue skill learning, leisure reading, March reading focus. Wake up, 30-minute workout, breakfast, read a book chapter, with skill learning breaks, prepare dinner, family interaction, quick financial checkup. So it's basically integrating everything that we want to do. April would be for weight loss and health, longer workout sessions focusing on weight loss exercises, healthy breakfast, ready for leisure, read for leisure, light healthy dinner with family, household chores, exam study session, household contribution, wake up, morning routine, blah, blah, blah. So basically, it just tells us everything. Now you don't need to write down on a piece of paper and stuff. You just can do it with the help of ChatGPT. All you need to do is you just need to go out there. You can list your aspirations. Honestly, you can even use custom instruction. I still didn't even use custom instructions. All you need to do is you need to go here. Here's the custom instructions. You can tell GPT how you want it to react to your queries, and then it'll do that. It's just an endless samundar of whatever you want to learn. You're free to learn here. So I mean that was it. And again, a big happy new year to everyone. You can check the link down below for our workshop, which is just for 9 rupees, and it's going to teach you the best AI tools and ChatGPT and down in the best way. So do that. Make sure you do that. And till the next time, take care of yourselves. A very happy new year, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers. Bye.